Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on a important topic, that is commercial papers. Students, commercial paper is a very important money market instruments. As we know that money market instruments are those instruments of financial market which are sold and purchased for a period of less than 1 year. So commercial paper is one of the important money market instruments. And if we talk about the commercial paper and its importance, students, Marcus Goldman of Goldman Sachs was the first dealer in the money market to purchase the commercial paper, and his company became one of the biggest commercial papers dealers in America following the Civil War. Students, it Goldman says Marcus Goldman was the first investor or the first dealer who purchased the commercial papers. But if we talk about the overview of the commercial paper, then commercial paper is a short-term unsecured debt instruments issued by the well-established corporate houses with the requisite credit rating. It is issued by the well-established corporate houses to raise the working capital. Students, two, three things important. It is a short term. It means it is less than 1 year time period, and unsecured, no collateral is required. An instrument issued by the well-established corporate houses. Here, well-established corporate houses, the corporate houses with good credit rating and listed in the stock exchanges, and issued by the corporate house for the purpose of working capital. What is working capital? Working capital is the amount that is required by the companies to meet the day-to-day requirements, like to purchase raw material, to pay the salaries, to invest in inventory and stock, or in other words, we can say working capital is that capital which is required to run our business, or we invest this money in the current assets like cash in hand, cash at bank, inventory, stock, etc. Commercial paper is a unsecured debt, no collateral is required. It is issued by the well-established corporate houses and to fulfill their requirement of working capital. So, the commercial paper is in existence in the US for more than 100 years. It made its appearance in other countries only after 1980. In India, commercial paper made its appearance from January 90, when the RBI issued detailed guidelines for the issue of the commercial papers. Student, commercial papers in India came into appearance in 1990 as per the guidelines issued by the RBI. And one more thing is it is regulated by the RBI. Typically, these commercial papers are sold at face discount value and redeemed at the face value. Okay, similar to the treasury bills, like treasury bills are also issued at discount and redeemed at the face value. But the difference between the commercial papers and treasury bill is that treasury are auctioned, but commercial papers are not auctioned. So typically, commercial paper sold at a discount to its face value is redeemed at face value, hence the implicit interest rate is function of the size of discount and the period of maturity. Okay, for example, the face value of a commercial